It's raining outside and it's time to change a little bit of wardrobe. And on today's video, I will be sharing with you all the things that I have gotten for the fall and winter season, from clothing, shoes, jewelry, and a unexpected Chanel purchase that I'm surprised I got this piece. But you have to wait until the end so I can share with you what that piece is. But let me start first with the piece that I'm wearing. This is a incredible, the softest, most warm, cozy, beautiful, amazingly designed V-knitted cardigan made out of Angora rabbit hair. Is the softest, most luxurious feeling that you can ever have on your body. I mean, this is just perfection. I love the details. You see these kind of belt hoops around the neckline, and it goes all the way to the bottom, the big black buttons too. The style, the details, the length, the comfort of this cardigan is unmatched. It's a rainy day outside, a little bit cold, but I have the heater on and I don't feel overheated. I feel perfectly comfortable. I can use these cardigans with black slacks, with jeans, so I can dress it up or down. I'm thinking too, if you want to have some fun on these loops, I can even put like a piece of jewelry, like a long necklace, and run it through on one side and just have, just jazz it up and have fun. And that's something that I really enjoy about the designs that SELFWHO proposes. They are unique, different. They do not truly follow a trend, but it's just your own style made better. I just love what they propose. The quality of clothing is spectacular, and they are having right now their Black Friday sale up to 35% off right now. I'll be leaving, as per usual, all the details on the description box below, direct links, discount codes, everything, absolutely everything. And that description box, I always copy and paste it and leave it as a pinned comment. So while you are leaving your comment or subscribing to the channel, make sure you ring that post notification box so you don't miss any of the uploads. And yes, while you're leaving your comment, make sure you check that pinned comment, because right there I also leave all the links. That way it's easy to find. Next piece that I got from SELFWHO is a gorgeous double face wool coat. I love the details of this coat. When I saw it, I just felt like this is for me to die for. The size, the length, such a unique original color design that can be used as a scarf. This is just so trendy right now, but more than trendy is functional. I love that it can be draped over the back as a shawl too. Super beautiful. It's a beautiful coat that you can use for layering, because it does give some nice room. It comes in multiple colors, from this beautiful chocolate brown that is so in trend right now to an off-white and black one too, and different sizes. Next piece that I got from SELFWHO is this beautiful gray wool blend tank dress. The details of this dress are perfection. It's a classic, easy to match, slightly waisted silhouette, optimized body proportions, and definitely friendly for petites like myself. Made out of a soft wool blend that is anti-wrinkle. That means that it will retain its shape. Super soft to touch, making it ideal for daily wear. It has exquisite hand-sewn beading. They are all so unique and beautiful, in addition of the pleated hem that adds so much femininity. This is one of those dresses that you can wear it daily, jazz it up. I went ahead and paired it with a burgundy pair of shoes and a burgundy bag, just to give contrast and variation with the gray dress. Now we need to talk about this gray jacket. It's just perfection. It also comes with a skirt if you want to do kind of like a two-piece set. The skirt is just a little bit too small for my hips, so I unfortunately cannot use it, but I'm passing it to my oldest daughter, Mia, which she's in love with that because it's just so pretty. The jacket is super comfortable. It has this casual round neck. It's double lined too. It has two pockets, a little bit of this blouse kind of effect to it as well. It doesn't have an elastic, so it just keeps it a little bit in between casual, yet you can jazz it up and dress it up as well. And the Prince of Wales check design makes it a little bit more than, again, a casual look. So beautiful. I think This is a stunning piece. You know how much I love butter yellow, and I couldn't resist to get this mohair and wool blend v-neck knitted cardigan in this gorgeous yellow tone. Is nice, loose on the shoulders, very flattering, and it can be layered in multiple ways. A thing that I truly enjoy is not super dense, and it is my understanding that the mohair for this beautiful cardigan is imported from South Africa. It's nice and velvety, and I don't know about you, but I feel like yellow, it just brings some sort of aura effect to your face. It just brightens up everything, yet you can pair it with like chocolate brown, burgundy tones, gray tones too, and it looks just incredible. I was missing a gray blazer in my collection, so I went with this classic wool suit jacket. It has a little bit of wide shoulders to create an excellent head to shoulder ratio. It has the sleeve markings combined with the brand logo with irregular cuffs, which I absolutely love. That design is so unique. I haven't seen a blazer with such a detailed design. It totally highlights the look of a regular blazer. It comes in multiple sizes too. One thing that I have to mention is that SELFWHO delivers worldwide with free shipping. The oversized coat trend has been going on for a couple years now, and when I saw this SELFWHO cheap wool and alpaca blend, I was like, oh yeah, this is for me. I'm so impressed about this coat. I love the design, the detail on the sleeves, how you can adjust them and just kind of ruche them, the big pockets too, the big lapel, very like comfortable, but yet you can dress it up or down as you may feel comfortable doing so. Obviously it's oversized depending on your height. I went with a size small. Now going into some jewelry pieces from Monica Vinader. They are also having their biggest sale of the year, Black Friday sale, with up to 50% off site-wide. It's just insane, incredible. You know how much I love and adore my pieces from Monica Vinader. So I have some goodies here. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see first what I got. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta. Love the way that they package their items too. It's just so nice, luxurious, and well made. Oh my gosh, look at this gorgeous bracelet. I love the design. It's just different, and I love how it opens. Look at this. Just go like this. Easy. Super easy latch. So you don't need any help from anybody to put it on. Great for stacking too. I love that it's uneven. I love fashion that really speaks to your personality. It's you expressing yourself. Same thing with the jewelry pieces. I like that so much. This is just so me, and I can definitely look. I can stack it with my Bulgari bracelet, and even the gold tone is just pretty much the same. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, let me show you what else that I got from Monica Vinader. A small box. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Friends, I am a Sagittarius, and I don't really like too much necklaces or like bracelets that they have that any signs, any zodiac signs. They just sometimes look a little bit tacky, and I just don't like them that much. But when I saw this one by Monica Vinader, I was like, oh, this speaks to me so much. This is just well made. It looks like the gold has been hammered down. Does it make sense? It's just so beautiful, and I can layer it because this is a long necklace. I'll be putting a picture right here so you can see it, because I know if I put it right now it's not going to show the way that I want to, but this is a lovely piece. And I mean, obviously there are so many designs for different zodiac signs, so if you had been eyeing a statement necklace but that it may be a little bit more meaningful to you, that it speaks a little bit about yourself, and I think this is what is this video about, finding those fashion pieces that are truly yourself. I think that is the most important thing. Yeah, definitely you will find it there. Okay, another piece. I know. Okay, I think you didn't notice because I have my hair like this. Do you notice that I have cut my hair? I said it that I was gonna cut my hair, and my hair was up to here. So I cut a big chunk, like this much, almost 4 inches. I know, quite a bit. And then I changed a little bit the color of my hair too. It's a little bit more brown, not so bright, like blonde. It's still blonde, but not so bright blonde. Let me know what you think about my hair. So, anyhow, because my hair was like this, you didn't notice that I have no earrings on. Well, I do have my ideal earrings here, but in the front because I want to wear these little hoops. Oh my gosh, these are just so gorgeous. I love, again, the design that is just different, just very nice and different. Let's just put it on. There you have it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So pretty. So pretty, friends. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so cute. So pretty, friends. These are like everyday kind of different kind of hoop earrings that they just are like everyday wear. Love them so much. And then one more piece. I know. One more piece. Oh. This is not gonna surprise you because I do have this piece in another color, hint. Can you tell? My tiger eyes ring. My goodness, friends. I needed to have this ring. Friends, this is just a statement piece that is just so gorgeous. Do you notice my cat eye nails? Oh my gosh. I was thinking to do cat eye nails with the same color, but like in deeper brown for the season. I may go and change them and do it like that, but I love this ring so much. So much. It's just such a beautiful statement ring. I'm wondering, should I put it in the middle instead? Let's just see. I'm going to change my gingerbread ring here, which I completely adore. It's so beautiful. Oh, yes. Okay. Now I think this is a lot better because it's just kind of like centered, and then the other ones are more delicate. Divine. Oh, I love this stack too. Looks so good. Looks so good. Okay, friends. Now to the part that you were waiting for, and this surprise unboxing. Honestly, I mean, surprised me in a way, but not really, because this has been in my wish list in a way, quote unquote, for a little while right now. Yeah, for years, I should say. So let's just unbox it, and I will tell you a little bit about these pair of shoes from Chanel that I want them badly, but they were not available in the United States. They first launched in UK, then they had come back for this last season, but all of a sudden they appear in the United States, and I'm like when my client advisor told me that they got them, I was like, I want them right now. So yes, can you guess which pair of shoes these are? Okay, by the bag. Can you tell? I know, it's like, Jacqueline, we can now see through the bag. It's black. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are just so... my goodness. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. These are the most gorgeous loafers that I have ever seen. And let me tell you, I grew up going to a private school, and we had to wear uniform with black shoes, very well polished every single day, not even a little tiny bit of dust in them. They had to be shiny. So for many years, I was like, no, I don't want to wear loafer shoes. But when I saw this, the little CC logo here has little sparkles. I mean, you cannot see it from the camera, but it sparkles. It's just so beautiful. And on the back heel, to die for. Obviously, the back has the CC logo right there. Can you see it? There you go. There you go. There's the CC. Oh my goodness. I'm just so happy. The leather is so soft. So about a couple years ago, I saw some loafers from Chanel that, sparked my curiosity. I'm like, okay, I think those I can wear because they look delicate. This is the thing. I don't like chunky loafers unless they are like the higher heels. Those I can go with platform and chunky because they are different style. But the ones that they are flat and chunky, I feel like I'm short. And if I wear something like that, it's going to just, whip, I'm just going to look so short. It's just something that, no, it's not me. I didn't buy them at the time. And then I felt like, oh, so bad about it. How is it possible? I should have bought them. Then I looked in the pre-love market and I was like, I found some, but they were not in, the best condition possible. I'm so happy I have waited because these are just stunning. During summertime, I saw kind of like the same style, but they had just a strap. They look good, but these ones are it to me, friends. They are not chunky. They are feminine, and that's what I'm looking for because I love feminine items. I love chunky things, but with a touch of femininity. If I like overwhelm myself with really big pieces, big shoes and big everything, then it doesn't look, stylish. And these, they look so stylish, friends. I'm just like so obsessed. I'm so happy I got them. You have no idea. Okay. Tell you a fun fact here. Do you know that I still have my school uniform? Yes, I have it. I cannot get rid of it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I know it doesn't fit me anymore for sure, because back on the day there were a few pounds less, if not more than a few pounds. But I just think that, you know what? They even look very close to my school shoes, obviously without the Chanel. There was no funds at that time to wear Chanel shoes like this. But I'm just so happy. And you know what? Moccasin shoes, they are so in right now, and they will be in all throughout winter time. And these are just classic shoes that will never go out of style. I mean, I thought that I was never gonna be able to find designer moccasin shoes of my like. I had so many times my Hermes client advisor suggesting to buy some Hermes loafers, and I'm like, no. And finally the time has arrived. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Let me know what are your thoughts, friends, of all of these things. I want to say a big thank you to SELFWHO for partnering up on today's video with me. I'm just so appreciative. I love all the pieces that I have gotten from them, and I will highly suggest you to go and check them out, mostly right now that they are having their Black Friday sale, and you have an exclusive discount code that you, all my followers, my viewers, can take advantage of it. All the details will be again on the description box below and on that pinned comment. I would love to hear from you which of the pieces that I have shown you today is the one that is giving you butterflies. I want to hear from you while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you ring the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, come and follow me there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple of videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. See you then. Bye bye.